There are a lot of things that beginners do wrong in the gym because they were never properly informed. Are you maybe doing some of these common mistakes? If so, it's okay, because in this video, we have you covered. Exercising at the gym can be challenging, and not just because getting fit requires effort. Many find it difficult because they're unsure about what to do once they're there. The surroundings, equipment, workout routines, and even the latest workout fashion can be confusing. To help beginners and even experienced gym enthusiasts, here are 5 common mistakes that you might want to correct. 1. Relying solely on machines. While machines make many exercises simpler and are generally user-friendly, their ease of use comes with limitations. They are designed to fit average height ranges, which can be a problem if you are exceptionally tall or short. Most machines enforce unnatural movement patterns, making them uncomfortable. Free weights, on the other hand, offer more flexibility and allow for natural movement patterns. Additionally, machines do not engage stabilizer muscles, as they provide a fixed and stable position, whereas free weights necessitate the use of stabilizers for balance and control. However, this does not mean machines are entirely bad. Cable machines, for instance, are among the best fitness equipment. Nonetheless, it's crucial to include free weight exercises in your routine, especially if you aim for overall fitness. 2. Excessive focus on isolation exercises. If you find yourself constantly doing bicep curls in front of the mirror, it's time to reconsider your routine. Achieving fitness is not just about having large arms. Isolation exercises like curls, side raises, and triceps pushdowns target a single muscle group, whereas compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and shoulder presses engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, resulting in more work in less time. Additionally, compound exercises allow for lifting heavier weights, which is essential for building strength and muscle. While isolation exercises are crucial for targeting specific muscles and controlling volume targets, it's important to balance them with compound movements. Leave a comment below if you're already participating in a balanced workout routine. 3. Using only light weights. It's natural for beginners to be cautious about lifting heavy weights, but avoiding them contradicts the principle of progressive overload. This principle states that to become stronger and increase muscle size, one must continuously increase the demand on the muscles. Occasionally, adding a few pounds is not enough. It's necessary to push your limits, especially if the goal is to get stronger. Research consistently shows that strength gains are best achieved by lifting heavy weights, meaning weights that you can only lift for a maximum of 5, 3, or even just 1 rep while maintaining proper form. After reaching that limit, aim to lift more in the next session. Avoid doing 40 repetitions sets unless the goal is to strictly improve endurance. Before we show you the next mistake, don't forget to check out our 2 ebooks in the description below for a comprehensive guide on how to build muscle quickly and how to optimize your nutrition in the correct way to meet your goals. 4. Neglecting hydration. This is a common mistake, not only among beginners. Our bodies are composed of about 2/3 water, and we lose approximately 1 liter of water per hour of exercise through sweat. Failing to replenish this loss can lead to dehydration, resulting in muscle cramps, fatigue, poor concentration, and headaches, all undesirable during exercise. The solution is simple: carry a water bottle. It's more convenient than depending on the gym's water fountain. For intense or prolonged workouts, consider sports drinks or coconut water to replace lost electrolytes and sugars, which replenish energy. Just remember to account for the added sugars in your overall diet. Now, this one could be one of the most crucial mistakes that is keeping you away from your fitness goals: reluctance to ask for help. The gym environment often discourages unasked for advice, as people generally dislike being told what to do, even with good intentions. This leads to a hesitancy to ask for help. However, as a beginner, guidance is crucial. Studies indicate that social and coaching support significantly increases the likelihood of achieving fitness goals. Having someone to encourage and assist you is both motivational and educational. While hiring a professional or personal trainer is ideal, it may not be financially feasible for everyone. In such cases, don't hesitate to ask for help when needed. Contrary to popular belief, most gym goers are willing to help, as they remember their own struggles as beginners. FitZip is always willing to help, as providing value and developing a fitter community is our main goal. So check out this video right here if you're serious about taking your fitness journey to the next level.